we are going to cover numerical series and sequences. In this topic, we'll cover the progression. Sequence is a list of numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a sequence of natural number. This is a natural number sequence. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are the odd number sequence. Similarly, if we have it's written, a sequence is there, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the sequence of prime number. So it is prime number sequence. So basically there are three types of sequences: AP, arithmetic progression; GP, geometric progression; and HP, harmonic progression. Okay. First of all, we'll see arithmetic progression. A1, A2, A3. This is a sequence given: A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN. So this will be this sequence will be set as an AP, arithmetic progression, if A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to dot 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 AN minus 1 is equal to D. D is difference between any two consecutive numbers. For example, we'll take one series 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. So in this case, D will be equal to 4 A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. Similarly, it will be 7 minus 4, 3. Now we'll see the general arithmetic progression. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus N minus D plus N minus 1D. Okay. So this is the nth term. Okay, where A is first term, A is the first term, D is the difference between two consecutive numbers, and N is the number of terms. Okay. Now we'll see the general terms of AP, terms for AP. Like Tn, we'll denote it as Tn. So first term is A, second term has 1D, third term has A plus 2D. Similarly, nth term has N minus 1D. So Tn, nth term will be A plus N minus 1D. If T10 we have to find out, so it will be A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. Now we'll see the sum of n terms in AP, that is denoted by Sn. So it will be n upon 2 first term plus last term. If in some questions first term and last term is given, we can find out by using this formula. Otherwise, we can also find like this. If the first term, it will be first term is A and last term will be A plus N minus 1D. So we can write again A. So A plus N minus 1D. So we can also write like this, 2A. Now we'll see the arithmetic mean, that is denoted by AM. So if we have to find out the arithmetic mean between of A and B, arithmetic mean of A and B, then the formula is A plus B divided by 2. See the question, find the next number of the series. So how we'll find the next number? Difference we'll find out. Plus 6, plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, plus 4. Now plus 6 again. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, and plus 4. Now we have to find out the last number. So its pattern we can see, pattern given 6, 6, 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, and then 6, 6, 2, 2. So repeating the pattern, 6, 2, 2, 1, 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, 4. Then what will be the next? 6. Hoga na? Plus 6. So 33. So the next number will be 33 plus 6, that is 39. Okay, so this is the sequence given and we have to find out the 50th term. So first of all we'll see that sequence, what's given: 20, 24, 28 and 32. So plus 4, again plus 4, again plus 4. So क्या है, ये plus 4 ही रहेगा ऐसा. Now we have to find out the T50. Okay, okay, and Tn will be okay, we'll write for Tn first. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. ठीक है. Now where a is given, a is the first term, that is 20. A is given 20, n we have to find out, that is 50. Okay, and d, difference is plus 4, so 4. Okay, now by applying the values we have to find out T50, 58th term we have to find out. A is 20 plus n minus 1, that is 50 minus 1, that is 49 multiplied by 4. Okay, so it will be 20 plus 196, this will be 216. For the same sequence, if we have to find out the SN, sum of the 50 terms. So just now we found out that 50th term, that was 216. Now we have to find out the sum of 50 terms. So there are two formulas, and as we discussed, n upon 2 a plus l, first term plus last term. या फिर there is one more formula, n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. कोई भी फॉर्मूला हम लेकर चल सकते हैं, बट आंसर विल बी सेम. ओके, सो एन, वी आर टेकिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, सो S50 वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट सम ऑफ 50 टर्म्स. सो 50, n is 50 divided by 2 multiplied by a plus l. तो a is 20 and l is 216. ठीक है, so it will be 25. So 25 multiplied by 216 plus 20, that will be 236. So 25 into 236 will be 5900. So geometric progression. Now we'll see this. If a series is given a1, a2, a3, up to an minus 1, an. Okay, up to an is given. So this series will be said, this sequence will be called as GP, geometric progression, if and only if a2 upon a1 is equal to a3 upon a2 is equal to dot 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 an upon an minus 1 is equal to r. R is the common ratio. ठीक है, so we'll see one example like 1 1 2 2 square 2 to the power cube dot 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 is given. So this will be called as a GP, geometric. This will be called, this sequence will be called as a geometric progression. Similarly, if this is given 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 2 to the power 3 and so on, this will be also called as in geometric progression. But in this case, in this one, r will be 2, because we are multiplying this, the first term by 2, we are getting the second term, we are multiplying by 2 in the second term and we are getting the third term. Similarly, we are multiplying by 2 and we are getting the next term. So r is the common ratio. So that is true in this case, but in this case r will be equal to 1 upon 2, because in first term when we are multiplying by 1 upon 2 we are getting the second term, and in second term we are multiplying by 1 upon 2 we are getting the third term. Okay, general geometric progressions like this: ar square, ar cube, and up to ar n to the power n minus 1, and this is the nth term, because in this first term there is no r, second term 1 r, so in nth term there will be n minus 1 r का power रहेगा. Okay, now where r is the ratio, common ratio, and a is the first term. Okay, first term, and n is the number of terms. ठीक है, now we have to find out the Tn, मतलब nth term, when we have to find out general terms for this GP, so that is denoted as Tn. And okay, so it will be a to the power r n minus 1. We have to, if we have to find out that 10th term, so it will be a r to the power minus 1, that is 9. If we have to find out the sum of n terms in GP, so Sn will be equal to A into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 in case r is greater than 1. अगर r 1 से ज़्यादा है, so in that case this formula will work, and if r is less than 1, like point fractional number है, 1 से less है, like 0.5, 0.7, 0.8 और negative value है, like -2, -2.5 या any value. So in that case A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So this formula will work. But in case if infinity तक दिया हुआ है, infinity series है, and we have to find out the sum of infinity GP geometric progression के sequence को. So in that case the value will be A upon the first term upon 1 minus r. Okay. Now we'll see the geometric mean, that is denoted by GM, geometric mean. So geometric mean between geometric mean of A and B, if we have to find out, so in that case geometric mean will be, geometric mean of A and B will be root under square root of AB. Okay. For this question, sequence given 2, 6, 18, 54, 102 and so on. So when we'll see 2, 6, 18, 54, 102. So when we are multiplying by 3, we'll get this number again, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. So 3 is the ratio, common ratio. So R क्या है? 3. Now the first term is A. A is 2 and N we have to find out 10. So 10th term we have to find out, and first 10 terms के sum हमें चाहिए. So Tn and Sn हमें find out करना है. तो Tn will be A r to the power n minus 1. So A is 2 and r का value is 3 and n minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 2 into 3 to the power 9. So that the value will be 39,366. Now we have to find out the sum of n numbers, sum of 10 numbers. So Sn के लिए क्या formula we will use? Here ratio is 3. तो 3 is greater than 1. तो 1 से greater रहेगा. In that case we have another formula, that is A into r to the power n minus 1. Okay. So divided by r minus 1. So we have A given for S10. First 10 numbers के sum हमें find out करने. तो n is 10. So A का value is given 2 multiplied by r का value is 3 and n का value is 10. 3 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 into 3 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2 cancel. So value will be 3 to the power 10 minus 1. The value will be 59048. Okay. For this sum, for this series 2, 8, 24, 12, 48, this number sequence is given. Now we have to find out the last. After this number, this is blank, we have to find out that number. So first of all we'll see 2 multiplied by 4, we are getting 8. Again we are multiplying this by 3, 24. And now we have to divide this by 2, then we'll get 12. Again multiply by 4 and then multiplied by 3, 48, 3s are 144. Now divide by 2, then we'll get 72. Again after this we have to do 4 times series. Now multiply by 3. So next term what will, so pattern we can find out. We can see the pattern. क्या है pattern? Multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Again multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 and then divide by 2. This is the pattern. So 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. So we have to divide this by 2. So what will be the value? 3. So 8. Next value जो होगा, that will be next value, next number, that will be 864 divided by 2. So it will be 432. Okay. For this series, it is an infinite. There are infinite terms in this series, and we have to find out the sum of infinity. Okay, and the value, the formula is 1 upon 1 minus r. Take it. Now first of all r is required, and r will be 1 upon 2, because when in first term we are multiplying by 1 upon 2, we are getting the second term. When we are multiplying 1 upon 2 in the second term, we are getting the third term. Okay, so we have to apply this formula, and the 1 upon 1 minus r is 1 upon 2. So value will be 1 upon 1 minus half is half. So the value will be 2. Okay, if this series, the given series A1, A2, A3 up to AN is in AP, arithmetic progression, if this is in AP, then 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, 1 upon A3 up to 1 upon AN will be in HP, harmonic progression. Okay, so general term we'll see, general harmonic progression is like this: 1 upon A, 1 upon A plus D, 1 upon A plus 2D, and dot 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 1 upon A plus n minus 1D. This is the nth term. Okay. Now we'll see the general term for HP, harmonic progression. It denoted by Tn. Now we have to find out the value. It will be 1 upon A plus n minus 1D. Okay, and similarly, it's just similar to that. And harmonic for a harmonic progression, we have to find out the mean. So that will be, the mean will be HM, harmonic mean, and it will be denoted by HM, and the value harmonic mean of A and B will be 2AB divided by A plus B. Okay. So we'll see one example. The given sequence 1 upon 4, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 10, so on. So we have to find the 10th term. So Tn will be equal to 1 upon A plus n minus 1D. Okay? So A is what? A is the first term. So first term is 1 given, and n is 10. We have to find out 10. And D is the difference between 4 and 1 and 4, 4 and 7, that is 3. Okay. So we have to find out the 10th term. T10 will be equal to 1 upon A is 1, n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, that is 9, and multiplied by D is 3. So it will be 1 upon 1 plus 27, 1 upon 28. Okay. Have to find out the value, summation of this value. Okay, this series, sum of the series. So what we'll do, 1 upon 2 के लिए we can write 1 minus 1 upon 2. Similarly for 3 upon 4 के लिए we can write 1 minus 1 upon 4. तो 7 upon 8 के लिए हम लिख सकते हैं क्या, 1 minus 1 upon 8. So plus dot dot dot. So similarly for this one we can write 1 minus 1 upon 4096 लिख सकते हैं, because 4096 minus 1 divided by 4096 will be 4095 divided by 4096. So it will be equal to, हम 1 एक साथ ले लेते हैं, 1 plus dot dot dot, सारे 1 एक साथ. Now so minus कॉमन लिया तो क्या होगा, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus dot 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 1 upon 4096. ठीक है. Now the next, so 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 plus 1 minus ये 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 का square, 1 upon 2 का cube plus dot 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 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 12. Okay, so there are 12 terms. So it will be 12 minus. Now we have to find out the sum of 12 terms. के लिए हम sum will apply that formula. So it will be A into A is 1 upon 2. तो A into क्या होता है? A into 1 minus, because 1 upon 2 is less than 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 का power क्या होगा? 12 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 2. ये होगा ना sum. So it will be 12 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 2 का जो to the power 12 है. So it will be 1 minus 1 upon 4096. ठीक है. divided by 1/2 because 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. So ये 1/2 cancel. Now the value will be 12 minus this 4096 minus 1 क्या होगा 4095 divided by 4096. So 12 minus this value will be 45057 divided by 4096. Okay, see for this series we have to find out the sum of first 15 terms. So first term is 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2, square of 2 minus square of 1, square of 4 minus square of 3. तो थर्ड टर्म तक हम 6 का स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर थे. सो 15th टर्म क्या होगा 15th टर्म विल बी 30 का स्क्वायर माइनस 29 का स्क्वायर होगा. ओके तो यहाँ तक हमें लेकर चलना है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सीरीज. इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर. सो दैट इज 4 minus 1 that is 3. Now 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर 16 minus 9 क्या होता है 7. Now 6 का स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 6 36 minus 25 that is 11. Now next 8 का स्क्वायर माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 64 minus 49. तो 64 minus 49 15 होगा. सिमिलरली हमें 30th तक फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है 30th 10 का स्क्वायर में हम ले सकते हैं. 10 स्क्वायर माइनस 9 का स्क्वायर विल बी 100 minus 81. सो दैट विल बी 19. सो डॉट हमें 15th टर्म तक लेना है. तो दैट विल बी 30 का स्क्वायर माइनस 29 का स्क्वायर. सो 30 का स्क्वायर विल बी 900 and 29 का स्क्वायर विल बी 841. सो इट विल बी 59. ठीक है हमने ये फाइंड आउट कर लिया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड सी द सीक्वेंस. देखिए टर्म देखो कैसे हम टर्म्स देखेंगे 3 7 11 15 19 इस तरह से डॉट हमें लेकर चला. हाँ तो लास्ट टर्म विल बी लास्ट टर्म इज 59. सो नाउ विल सी द we have to find out the sum of 15 terms. तो sum of SN. So हमने तो फाइंड आउट कर लिया द लास्ट टर्म 15th टर्म. अगर हमने 15th टर्म नहीं भी फाइंड आउट किया होता इन दैट केस ऑल्सो n/2 2a plus n minus 1d ये फॉर्मूला हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. लाइक n is 15 and a is 3 and d is 4. ठीक है डिफरेंस इज 4. सो यहाँ पे d is 4. सो नाउ वी कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला और अदरवाइज वी कैन दैट फॉर्मूला वी कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई 2n/2 a plus l लास्ट टर्म. तो n इज क्या है फर्स्ट 30 टर्म्स फर्स्ट 15 टर्म्स है तो 15/2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a is 3 and l is 59. तो 59 plus 3 is 62. तो it will be 15 into 31 because ठीक है. So the value will be 465. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.